Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily update on Luna Classic. That's almost what it has become already. I used to cover Luna Classic daily last year, actually. I mean, obviously when it was very bullish, and right now we're covering it a lot as well. Yesterday, what I said is that I felt like it was a little bit more likely that within this range, so that's the yellow box. I felt like that was the range. That was, at that moment, I do think that was most likely. But in the end, what we got, and that was ultimately what we also talked about. I mean, the thing is that technically I felt like Luna Classic was a little bit weak. I was wrong about that, because in the end we did get the bullish breakout above 12,500, which was the top of that range. Which I did expect at some point of time, but not yesterday, not so soon. But that happened, and the main reason for that, I mean, we can think of different reasons why that happened. I mean, I must say that I do feel like it is a little bit manipulated. If you look at this, I mean, if you look at this move, it's basically you're adding about $30 million in volume in a matter of 10 minutes. That's not normal, all right? That's not normal, and then a lot of the volume is coming from BTC Turk, for example. So I do feel like there's some manipulation going on, but obviously there's manipulation for a reason, and that is because the fundamentals are bullish as well. If the market mechanism gets turned on, Luna Classic will become even more bullish than this, and that's also yesterday. Even though I was bearish on it short term, that is why I expected some bullish momentum in the longer term. All right. So yeah, right now the big question is what's next for Luna Classic. All right, so that's what we'll talk about. If you look at this, yesterday, like I said, got a lot of momentum, got a big position opened. You can also see the open interest spiked up. Ever since, it has been dropping. All right, so positions have been closed. Price is consolidating right now. In general, I do expect this stability to stay here. All right, and you can also see that, I think, right here. You can see overall the open interest has dropped down a bit, but it's also pretty stable. So overall, I expect Luna Classic to hold this. There's major support right now, basically between 13,500 and 12,500. I'm not sure if ultimately, like I said, I mean, when there's more news and when there's more hype around the market mechanism being turned on again, then eventually I can definitely see Luna Classic rallying higher. Like the next main price target is 15,500. And at this moment, it does look likely that it will get there. All right. But before that, it does need to hold the support. All right. So the support is between 13,500 and 13,000. What I expect is that it will hold that and consolidate. And then eventually from this consolidation gets up towards 15,500. And then potentially also to the next price target at 17 and 17,500. So that's what I expect. I think that's in terms of the technicals right now, while also taking into account the fundamentals. I think that's most likely. But like I said, I must prepare you for all possible scenarios. Luna Classic does make some erratic and volatile moves at times. All right, so we do need to see. When Luna Classic finds support at this level right here, let's say around 13,000, we do need to see strong support from there. If it starts dropping down towards 12,500 and it doesn't really get that much of bullish confirmation again after finding support, then there's a risk that Luna Classic drops back down to 11,500 and potentially lower. Not most likely, but like I said, if you see that Luna Classic drops down and does not find enough support at those levels, then there might be reason to worry. And I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, that's not what I expect. I expect Luna Classic to hold it, consolidate, and then eventually spike up higher. But it is something you should know. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's my update for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.